Hello, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com, click on Google profile icon, click on create a channel. Name your channel and upload any relevant picture or logo. Click on create channel. Great, the channel has been created. Now how to upload a video to get started? You need to click on the link in the description box. But before that, we will complete few steps. Click on customize channel. Click continue. Click the branding option. As the logo was already uploaded, so scroll down and click on Upload to upload banner image. The image will appear across the top of your channel. Scroll down to upload video watermark that will appear on right hand corner of video player. Video watermark must be 150 to 150 pixel. Click on the link in the description to learn how to get a 150 into 150 pixel image. You can choose between different options. I am going to select entire video. Click on publish. Now click on basic info. Type your channel's description. I have already made it on MS Word, so I will copy paste that. When you scroll down, you will see your channel's URL. You can copy it and share it with others. If you want to add link to your site, click on add link. I am adding my blog's link to this channel. Indicate the number of links you want to display on the banner. Enter email ID and click on publish. So here you go, your channel has been created. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel.